Sis, what's up? Kumusta po kayo lahat? So, I hope everyone's doing okay. So, for today guys, gagawin natin ang inyong general tarot reading for the month of December 2025. This is just a general reading po. So, only take what resonates, leave what doesn't. Also, please don't forget to click like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell para updated po kayo sa ating mga new uploads regarding your zodiac signs or horoscopes. Okay, so let's move on to your reading. Tingnan natin anong mga ganap by December. Sorry nga po pala, very late na aking upload for this month. So, December 3, ko na ata ito ma-upload. Sensya na po, gawa ng kabisihan. Okay, tingnan natin. Ayan. Oops, 1 second. Hey Pisces, kamusta ka for the month of December? About to say November, mga other Burr months kasi maaaring significant ang mga previous months sa mga sitwasyon mo ngayon. Okay, like November, October, September, yan, no? So, you have your dog close up, a pleasure with a close friend, so maaaring mag-bonding with a close friend, maaring mag-spend ng time together with a close friend. Okay. Let's see. Bull, do not back down from opposition. Show strength and fortitude. So, parang sinasabi dito, Pisces, na huwag ka daw bibigay or huwag ka daw parang susuko, lalo sa mga parang detractors mo, sa mga taong umaaway sa'yo, sa mga bagay na parang feeling mo, hinahamon ka negatively, yan, no? Mga sitwasyon na parang meant to break you, but it's not gonna break you. So, nakikita ko dito kasi it has a lesson, and it has parang, it has a gift of parang enlightenment. Okay, so meron ka dito mga mapapalap naman, marirealize, and you will be coming out stronger, okay? So, huwag ka daw magpapainsindak or magsusuko sa mga oppositions mo or mga pagsubok. Okay, mga bagay, tao na sinusubukan ka. You also have your seahorse, family matters. So, maaring there are family matters na significant around December. Okay, for you, so your family could be important around, they could be a highlight rather sa December. You also have your younger man, dealings or relationship with the younger man, so maaaring meron kang kakonect na younger man, ganyan. Okay, na maaaring ganito itsura, medyo mahaba buhok, medyo may build siya, no? Mukha siyang maskulado eh. Or, medyo chinito din, and brown or black ang buhok naturally. Okay, so yan, dinescribe ko na. Based na nakikita ko. And, yeah, what else? Ang daming cards. So, you also have here ring. Wanting to go in the reverse. Okay, so sabi dito, a marriage will take place either romantic or business. Okay, so maaring ikasal kayo ng person mo, may ikakasal dito. Kung hindi man sa'yo to, may ibang taong kilala mo. Okay. Why do I'm picking up that there's a problem with marriage and there might be some separation? Yeah, kasi nag-reverse din siya eh. So, ring is, diba, ring is being offered when you propose, when you want union, diba, dun sa person na gusto mo or mahal mo. But without reverse, so maaring that could be you who's feeling that way towards your person, or that could be your person towards you, na parang disconnect. I'm seeing disconnect, or maaring ayaw makipag-connect. Okay, or ilag dun sa person nila. You also have here throne, position of authority. So merong either ikaw to na mapupunta sa isang position of authority, or maaring merong other person, maybe father, mother mo, kasi natapat siya sa family. Father, mother, grandmother, grandfather, basta anything na ahead of you. Okay? So, itong dog close-up mo, maaring with a younger man ito, or someone masculine nga. Okay? So, let's move on to your main reading. Those are your oracle cards. Let's move on to your main reading. Kamusta po si Pisces around December? So, makabigyan tayo ng konting glimpse about the past. What happened or ano meron? What will happen or what happened with Pisces? About say Virgo. So, maaaring merong significant Virgo in your life. Okay. So yeah, this is Judgment card. This talks about something from your past. Okay, there is something about your past that is, okay, na maaaring nagbigay sa'yo ng mga difficult times. These are major arcana, so these are major events that have affected your life na nangyari sa buhay mo. So there is a situation, certain situation in the past, could be romantic, could be about love, could be about finance. Okay, na nagbigay sa'yo ng medyo sadness, depression, anxieties. Just because there could be parang possible deception, ganyan, nanloloko, nang backstab, ganyan, no? Hindi pinapakita yung totoong intention. Hindi nakikita yung totoo sa sitwasyon, ganun. Maaaring give me one more card, please. Thank you. Okay, 8 of Swords. So, you could also be dealing with a Pisces, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay. And, sa nakikita ko dito, Pisces, parang in December, you will either parang ayaw mong mag-make ng move towards a certain person or parang medyo nagsistay pa rin sa yung energy na yun na maaaring meron ng loko or parang ilag ka ba? Ilag ka. Parang ayaw mo ng union with someone else is what I see. Meron dito gustong kumawala sa isang either connection or sitwasyon, umalis, ganyan. Maaaring ikaw yun or yung another individual. Ano itong 8 of Swords? Ano ito? 8 of Swords. Sorry. Umaga ko kasi ito ginawa. Nagawa pala. Ano itong 8 of Swords? Ano itong 8 of Swords? 8 of Wands. So, parang may nakikita ko sa mukha mo dito na worried ka. Meron ka parang mga pinagpag-aalala. I'm hearing pain or heartache. Okay. Maring hindi ka pa nakaka-move on sa isang situation na nangyari in the past, okay, that may have involved deception, okay. Maaring 3 of Wands, meron nag-pursue ng another connection dito, kaya siguro medyo in pain or hurt yung isang tao, maybe you, maybe your person. Yeah, I'm seeing a possible, like, parang, you know, someone na parang, kumbaga, nag-come in between sa inyong dalawa ng person mo. Siguro kung love life ito, third party could be possible, okay? And parang, right now, hindi mo alam, by December, hindi mo alam kung maybe ipupurso mo pa yung relationship or not. Parang ganyan nakikita ko. Anything else for the general? Anything else for the general? Pisces po. Page of Swords. So, meron pa rin talagang parang pagtatago. Parang mga hinanakit. Ako nakikita dito, mga hinanakit. Okay, maybe related sa hindi pagsasabi ng totoo or pagtatago ng full na katotohanan or hindi sinabi lahat ng dapat malaman. Ganun. Okay, that may have caused gap or distance between two person and parang nagdulot din ng burden sa either sa'yo or sa ibang tao. Nakita ko dito may mga tao nagko-comfort sa'yo pero talagang super burden ka kung ikaw to. Pisces, okay? Some of you are about si Aquarius, so maaring some of you could be dealing with an Aquarius as well. Parang gusto mo na lang lumisan dun sa connection siguro ito or sitwasyon na meron ka. Ano pa? Sige, ayan. 8 of Pentacles. Some of you could be dealing with a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay? Or this could just be your energies. But I think in December, makikipag-collaborate ka pa rin sa person na yun. Kung sino man yun, masaktan ka. Okay, if this is a love reading, like, you will still collaborate with that person, partner up with that person, mag-aano ka pa rin, parang, you will still build with that person. Okay, pero may nakikita ko ditong parang pag-aalangan or parang meron din ako nakikita dito na maaaring habang kasama mo sila, meron blaming ako nakikita, like parang iringan, sisihan, na bakit mo ginawa yan, bakit ganyan. So, ayun. So, hindi siya smooth na relationship, but it's rather full of challenges, okay? Kaya rin siguro advice sa'yo kanina, Pisces, sa Oracle cards is do not back down for opposition kasi baka medyo talaga mabigat siya with the 10 of Wands. Okay. Okay. Let's move on muna sa career mo. Kamusta about to say Cancer? Maaaring merong significant Cancer din in your life or medyo highlight talaga ang family and home by December. Kamusta sa career si Pisces? Pisces career, please. Pisces career by December. Nag-flip ba? Kamusta si Pisces for the month of December? So, you have your King of Wands. I think meron kang bagay na gustong i-achieve around December 2025 when it comes to your career. Kaso parang feeling mo it's either how you would do it. Parang paano ko siya gagawin. Maybe hindi mo siya alam gawin around December. Okay? Or maaring gusto mo siyang gawin and maaring tingin mo meron ditong wish fulfillment. Kaso, it will require you para pag-aralan muna siya. Okay? Pag-aralan muna siya. And, parang i-train ka dito. Study mo to. Why don't I'm picking up some of you are in the, like, casino field, in the bar. Kasi parang ganun yung image nyo dito and it resonates. So, some of you could be in a high paying job. Okay, in the company. But I'm seeing you wanting na may gawin kasi parang di mo siya alam gawin na maaaring maging focus siya in the month of December. Okay, and I'm really thinking na parang parang very passionate ka talaga kung ano man ito. Okay, can you please give us more context kung what is this? This could be something creative with the Page of Cups. Okay, anything that may involve your creativity, expressing yourself, using your creativity to create, you know, to do something. I'm seeing here na meron naman mga tutulong sa'yo ng mga parang may experience na dito sa field na ito. Okay. Yeah, and it will really require you to be a student para mag-aral about this. What else for about say Aries? Some of you are dealing with an Aries specifically. Ano pa ang kay Pisces? Five of Wands. So, really feeling conflicted ka, no? With this whatever craft or job or career this is. Okay? Maring may conflict ka sa paggawa nito. World card na maaring iniisip mo na lang na wag nang gawin din. But it fulfills you, I think. Yeah, and I think gusto mo talaga siyang i-manifest. Okay? Parang gusto mo talaga siyang i-pursue, gusto mo talaga siyang gawin kasi it's something na you really feel na gustong gawin. Parang ganon. And this could be either your first time or this could be really about your passion too. Okay? Something na maybe gagawin mo lang sa bahay or something na involves your home sa paggawa siguro. Could be about a business. Nakita ko may food doon. So, about food, business. Okay. Na maaari mong gawin by the month of December. Anything else about the career of Pisces for the month of December? Anything else for the... Okay, ang dami. Wait lang. Anything else for the career of Pisces in December? So, the High Priestess and Four of Swords. What is the Four of Swords here? Wait lang ha. Okay. So, parang sa nakikita ko dito, Pisces, the High Priestess kasi talks about something about searching, knowing the unknown. Okay, so maaaring mag-research ka or maaaring alamin mo yung mga dapat mong malaman about sa job na yon or sa craft na yon para mawala na rin yung mga confusion mo or mga feeling na parang hindi mo alam kung saan ka lulugar o anong gagawin mo or magulo yung utak mo kasi hindi mo nga siya alam gawin. You also have your Knight of Swords and the Star card which talks about bringing possibly your idea into life. I'm seeing naman for some of you na if ever hindi mo man siya ma-push to, it's like parang paliliparin hangin mo na lang to. Kaya parang kakalimutan mo na lang. Pero I'm seeing for some of you na para magawa yung craft na to na gusto mong gawin by December is talagang pag-aaralan mo siya and maybe seek people who have more experience in doing that than you do. Okay. Okay, let's move on to your love, specifically the last spread. Ano pa ang about love kay Pisces? Okay, you have your Lover's card. You could be dealing with a Gemini. This talks about a loving partnership, a union, someone na maaaring married ka or committed ka. Kaso things went stuck, parang hindi mo alam kung paano mo pa i-approach tong situation na to. So, you could be dealing with a Pisces as well. or this could just be your main energy, no? Na parang feeling mo hindi ka makagalaw or hindi ka makapag-decide how you will move forward. Okay? Nakikita ko dito na maaring maraming away or sigawan. Ako nakikita conflict regarding a love situation na talaga nagdulot ng parang dark times sa'yo, Pisces. Okay? So, you have your Fool card, 3 of Pentacles, Queen of Wands. Who's the Queen of Wands? 8 of Cups. So, Fool card, the 3 of Pentacles, the Queen of Wands, and the 2 of Cups. So, parang in December, so nakikita ko dito, it could be possible. I could read it 2 ways. Maaring na-involve sa another individual, another person, yung tao mo, yung person mo. But I'm seeing you in December na possibly wanting to still collaborate. 3 of Pentacles, no, talks about collaboration. Wanting to still team up or having teamwork with your person. Maaring kasi meron kayong mga obligasyones or maaring meron kayong commitment talaga. Maaring din kung married kayo, may mga anak kayo. So, it's like parang nakikita ko na you will start to parang work on in this relationship or work on pa rin in this connection. Kahit may pag-aalangan ako nakikita or parang pangingilag ako nakikita. Talagang in the past nasubukan yung relationship nyo. Ay, ito 8 of Cups. Dito pala yun. So, 8 of Cups, I think you will do what's expected of you in this relationship. Parang you will walk away from something that's not serving you anymore. Parang may iiwan kang isang sitwasyon and then move on sa bagay na dapat yung gawin. For example, sa family, ano man dapat i-expect, ano mga ina-expect sa isang family situation. Maaring to build it, diba? Build a strong foundation, build your dreams, pursue, ano, para sa mga anak, magkaroon sila ng maayos na buhay. Something traditional or something na talaga expected gawin. Ang nakikita ko dito na dapat na gagawin mo. Or you will decide to still team up with this person. Okay? Ano pa po ang kay Pisces? 2 of Wands. Meron dito sa sitwasyon nagdadalawang isip. Could be you, could be your partner. Okay, possible a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sag. Meron dito nagdadalawang isip at a crossroad. Dami. Wait lang. Why, kung si Pisces, so why is this person in a crossroad? Death card. Something about changes. Maaaring kung may third party dito, iniisip mo kung may third party pa rin ba yung person mo or parang nagdadalawang isip ka siguro na ituloy pa rin to. Parang ganon. Na i-push through pa rin to. Bakit? 9 of Pentacles. Maybe baka kasi ulitin na naman yung ginawa in the past. Okay? So, nakikita ko dito, Pisces, parang, I don't know kung nag-decide ka na rin na sana maging single na lang from this relationship. Okay? Mag-focus ka na lang sa sarili mo. I'm hearing kung may third party dito, meron kang mga nakukuhang balita from another people, group, person, ganyan, about that situation na meron ka. Maaaring may nagsasabi sa'yo. O yun ang ginagawa ng partner mo. Yeah, 3 of Cups. Maaaring nagdadalawang isip ka talaga na ano. na baka hindi maging maayos tong relationship na to, yung papasukin mo on with about this relationship. So, 3 of Cups talks about parang reunion, ganyan, no? Pag muling ibalik, ganyan. 3 of Cups, parang a situation na may have been involving third party as well na nagdulot ng sadness or depression. So, medyo nag-aalangan ka na magbago pa to towards stability. Okay? Nag-aalala ka na maaring maulit pa ang lahat. Maaring for some of you, ginagawa na lang to pa dahil sa anak. Ganon. Or iniisip ang kapangalan ng anak, kaya ginagawa ito. Okay, anything else that you want to say to Pisces? 6 of Swords, nakaganyan. I'm seeing na kapag tinuloy mo tong connection na to ulit sa person na to, if this is the same person na babalikan mo, Pisces, nandun pa rin yung feeling na parang hindi makamove on or hindi mawala sa isip yung ginawa in the past. Okay, hindi madaling mag-let go, sabi nga. Parang sinasabi dito. Maybe that's how you feel towards the situation. And last card, 7 of Pentacles. Yeah, parang medyo may pangingilag ako talaga nararamdaman sa pakikipag-collaborate. 2 of Swords. Yeah, maaring meron na rin nagsasabi sa'yo, may nag-a-advise na sa'yo, Pisces, na talagang medyo parang either wag mo nang ituloy or parang itong relationship na to kasi nga sakit lang sa ulo, mga ganyan. Meron kasi sigurong nakukuhang opinions like that from ibang tao or other people nga. And then parang sinasabi dito na when it comes to building with this person or mangarap ulit with this person, parang medyo cautious ka na. Okay? Na mag-invest pa ulit dito sa person na to. Okay, so yun lang naman guys ang nakita ko for the month of December. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the reading. Please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the video. And click the notification bell din po. Okay? Para updated sa uploads. Thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you so much. And I'll see you on your next readings guys. Bye!